Play Store All App History, Play Store Uninstall History. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to be seeing all of the App Store history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see your Play Store history, which means the apps that you've happened to download on your device, what you can do is simply tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of your Google Play Store, then go to this option that says Manage Apps and Devices. Then over here again you'll find another option that says Manage, so you can just tap on the Manage option and you can currently see installed. So these are the apps that are currently installed on your particular device. Now if you want to see the ones that are basically not installed and that might have been installed before and then you uninstall them, you can tap on this installed button, as you can find over here, and when you tap on it at the bottom you'll find another option that says not installed. So when you tap on the not installed button, you'll be able to come to this page where you'll be able to see all of your not installed history, which means the uninstall history. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then see the uninstall history on Play Store. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.